With the number of COVID-19 positive cases in the country rising to 490 Monday, the national and county governments have sustained mitigation mechanisms as they seek to control further spread of coronavirus in the country. Speaking from KMTC Quarantine Center in Mombasa while addressing some recovered COVID-19 patients, Mombasa County Senior Public Health Officer Aisha Abubakar took the chance to urge area residents who are shunning away from the centers to turn up for testing. Abubakar saying that the county has 5 quarantine centers with 136 people, noting that 86 people have been released from the quarantine centers for having tested negative.
Na nataka kuwahusia ndugu zangu kwamba tujitokeze kwa wingi tuweze kujua hali zetu. Wakati wote tukiwa na janga la ugonjwa ni muhimu watu wajitokeze, wapimwe, tujue hali zetu, na kama tutapatikana tukiwa wagonjwa basi tuweze kutibika.
Elsewhere, Githunguri constituency member of parliament Gabriel Kago has called on residents living in counties under containment to follow the laid down guidelines on the war against COVID-19 disease. He said those breaching the government guidelines have continued to endanger the lives of other Kenyans living up country.
Today we have phones that you can communicate through the video call. If you are having a meeting, you can do the Zoom and what have you. But don't come from Nairobi and enter, not only Githunguri, even other areas. You can communicate through the phones. You don't need to come.
Meanwhile, fear and panic has gripped residents of Namanga over a possible spread of COVID-19 as movement at the Kenya-Tanzania border post continues. It is business as usual along the porous borders, with only motorists being tested while those crossing the border by foot going around their businesses as usual. The residents say if the government does not intervene to contain the situation, Namanga could easily become the next hotspot for COVID-19.
Watu wa Kenya siku hizi kwa sababu tumefunga mabaa, wanaenda wapi? Wanaenda kunywa wa Tanzania. Na wanakutana na watu wengi, na ile inji ijatia manani hii ugonjwa itaua. Na rais yetu ameweka makakati inji yetu, na upandile ijawekwa makakati.
Kuna watu kama hao mamaid, kuna mafundi, na kuna hao walevi watu wanaenda Tanzania wanarudi. So hiyo kategori 3 tulikuwa tunataka serikali itilie maanani.
In Machakos, Governor Alfred Mutua Monday received an assortment of relief supplies worth millions of shillings from the corporate organizations to aid the ongoing war on COVID-19.
People have been told to stay home. Others who used to work and get their money from their daily work are no longer able to feed their families. So this is an amazing gesture.
Elsewhere, a section of hotel owners in Migori County have called on the government to ease regulations put to manage hotels' operations during the COVID-19 outbreak.
The testing facilities are not there. For example, this is Migori, and in Migori the nearest would be Kisumu. And if not Kisumu, it is Nairobi. Nairobi is out of bounds. First, the money is not available because they've not been in business. Secondly, the facilities are not there.
And an exercise that seeks to sensitize communities on hygiene, as well as provide functional water hand-washing units, personal protective equipment among local communities has been launched in Trans Nzoia County. The initiative, spearheaded by a 9-year-old girl, also targets to sensitize members of the local community on the safety guidelines issued by the Ministry of Health. Meanwhile, human rights crusaders operating in Isiolo County have raised concern over increased domestic and sexual violence cases in various households. The worrying trend has been attributed to the dusk to dawn curfew that has seen families spend more time together, with others facing frustrations upon losing their jobs.